Wow.
Lee, a word, please?
Ja.
What's up?
Duck's been bitten.
Is Duck feeling all right? What the fuck?
Happened during the raid.
Stop the RV.
Stop the RV now! What if he turns?
I don't see any signs of that. He is tired. His breathing is fine.
We don't think they just turn. That guy we dragged out of the woods had to full-on die.
He might be fine.
Guys.
What else is there to do? We thought you should know.
Important to stay honest with each other.
Yep.
Anyway, if you could tell Clementine, we would appreciate it.
Yeah, of course. Oh, man. Clem? Tell her!
Duck is bitten.
Yeah.
Huh?
He got bit by a walker trying to escape the motel.
I don't feel good.
Ja.
What
Ich
about
auch nicht.
Carly?
Gone.
Sie
But won't
kommt
come
nicht mehr
back.
zurück.
Because she was shot in the head.
Ja, du
That's
checkst
right.
es.
It's horrible.
Yep.
Yeah, it is.
Oh, man. Oh, man. Hey. Ich vermisse meine Eltern.
I miss my parents.
Ich muss doch ein bisschen auf sie zugehen,
I
weißt du?
know. My mom played the tuba.
Really?
She was a really small lady. It was strange. This one
I just-
time my brother thought it would be funny to fill a tuba full of flour on April Fool's Day. And that same day, she thought it'd be funny to wake me up for school by playing it right in my face.
What happened?
Hat alles mal ins Gesicht bekommen.
Just about what you'd expect.
That's funny.
Yeah.
Was ist los? Fuck! 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 Was? Was? Nein! 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 Oh! Oh! Oh!
We got something up ahead.
Oh! Ay, Dios mío.
Road's blocked.
Fuck,
Now
ich
we
hab fast die
gotta
Hose
deal
gepisst.
with this.
Train. Ja, ich weiss schon, dass wir irgendwie auf den Train gehen fahren. Das haben wir gesehen. Vielleicht nur die Lok, hä? Clem, komm dort raus! Der Duck ist drinnen. Clem, komm dort raus!
Is there any way to get around it? Doesn't look like it.
Katja hat
On
das Gesicht
foot,
so
maybe.
nah an seinem Maul.
Can't really afford to do that now.
This seems like a safe area. All this brush will stop anything from creeping up on us.
Ja, Clem, komm raus, das ist besser.
Why don't you and I go look around?
Yeah, everyone else relax. Clem, stay close to Kenny and Kat, okay?
Stay close to Kenny,
Lee, if
not
you
to
come
Cat.
across anything to drink, if there's a dining car or something, I think Duck's a bit dehydrated.
It's a freighter, huh?
Glaub nicht, dass
Be
es
careful
das
in there.
ist.
What? You think there might be something dangerous inside an abandoned locomotive? Hadn't crossed my mind.
Okay. Ich gehe zuerst mit der Clemmy reden. Mach immer. Sie ist mir das wichtigste Schätzchen.
Hey, Sweet Pea, you okay out here?
Sweet Pea.
I don't think Duck feels good.
Ja, ich weiß.
Me neither.
We have to shoot him. Ich weiß es.
Hey,
Früher oder
man,
später.
still looking around and haven't figured much out yet.
Ich habe gar noch nicht rumgeschaut.
Radiator could use a rest as it is.
Katja. Wie hättest du die Lilly zurückgelassen?
Would you have left Lily back there? On the side of the road like that?
Yes, Lee.
Okay.
Yeah?
We have to have lines. Yes, I would have left them.
Danke. Ich habe gedacht, sie wäre die Einzige, die das nicht möchte. Hat
Has
Clementine etwas
Clementine
gesehen?
said anything to you about Carly or Duck or anything? I'm worried about her.
No. That little girl is a puzzle.
Yeah, she is.
Poor Carly. God, where did yesterday go?
Ja.
I don't know.
Oh man.
Are you okay? I know you were fond of her.
I'm fine.
I'm fine. Don't worry about me.
I do.
Don't. I liked her, but she's gone now.
I'm
Ja.
sorry, Lee.
Hey. Wie geht's dem
I'm
Duck?
stuck.
I don't know. Tired. Which could mean a lot of things, right?
Yeah. His body's probably fighting whatever's in it.
And it don't win.
Exactly.
Anyway, let me know if anything changes here.
Nimm bitte deinen Hals ein bisschen weg. Okay. Ben, hast du schon etwas herausgefunden? So? Was hättest du gemacht mit der Lilly?
What would you have done with Lily?
I don't know. Left her? I've never seen anybody kill someone like that before.
Yeah, you've seen a bunch of other stuff by now.
Yep.
Yeah, but not like that.
Bist es du
Was it
gewesen?
you?
Not this again.
Was it?
No!
Okay then.
Bist du glücklich, dass du
You,
bei uns alles
happy you stayed with us all this time?
Yeah,
Really?
it's with you guys or dead. I would have died out there in the woods, just like my classmates.
Okay.
You think this is better?
Yeah, of course.
Ja, ich weiss langsam nicht mehr, was besser gewesen wäre. Einfach wirklich sterben oder, ja, weißt du, was ich meine? Headshot. Was ist hinter dieser Kiste?
Whoa.
Somebody's been living in here.
Yeah, man. Shit, think they're gone?
I hope so. But this looks recently used.
Oh.
Be on the lookout and have your guard up.
Ja, weißt du, die haben uns sicher gehört. Map.
A clipboard.
Aha. Take it.
A map of where the train goes. I think these tracks might lead to the coast.
Okay.
Route 27, Savannah. That's where Kinney's got us headed.
Savannah, parents of Clem. I don't know if this is a good idea. Also ich weiß nicht, dass es wirklich so gut ist. Hey, Wasser. Hat's nicht
I'll
etwas drin?
take this to Katja. For Doc.
Yep. Aber nicht, dass es wieder Ärger gibt. Also komm, wir schauen noch geschwind da raus, was da so rum ist. Ah,
Looks
doch.
like it'll get that pin out.
Ja, komm, machen wir doch mal.
Shit. Broken.
Aha. Was ist da noch einfach? Ja, das müssen wir dann abhängen zum Losfahren. Also komm, wir machen es doch schon mal.
There's gotta be a better way to do this.
Okay. In dem Fall noch nicht. Gehen wir wieder rein.
I can get it over there.
Wieso hat das zuerst müssen anschauen? Ich kann dort rübergehen. Ja komm, gehen wir wieder da durch. Ist eigentlich gleich, wo wir durchgehen. Aha. Ja, komm, wir schauen uns da noch rasch rum.
Might be something inside.
Aha. Sunbird? Ah. What's that?
A switch.
Push it.
Nothing.
Okay, ja, müssen wir wahrscheinlich zuerst noch flicken. Es hat glaube noch mehr Türen da neben dran. Yep. Was hat es da drinnen? Wahrscheinlich das gleiche, hä? Nein, wow. Gib mir das. Perfekt. Kann ich nur eins nehmen oder muss ich zwei nehmen? Aha. Also, die braucht man sicher nicht, die Affenzange. Wie heisst das bei uns? Ich weiss es nicht mehr. Den könnte man glaube ich noch brauchen. Würde ich eher sagen. Ich nehme jetzt mal den mit, aber ja, wir müssen es wahrscheinlich immer wieder austauschen. Ich könnte mir vorstellen, dass links braucht man dann zum Durchschneiden oder so. Weiss auch nicht. Was hat es da drinnen? Ich erwarte einfach jedes Mal einen Zombie. Ey. Okay. Nicht. Und noch das letzte Türchen. Ich bin immer bereit zum QQQQE drücken. Das ist auch nicht. Alright. Mal das Führerhaus.
Shit.
Yep. Aber es ist ein Headshot, oder?
We got one. Walker, sitting in the chair. We got him.
Okay.
Suppose we ought to look him over.
Yeah.
Wah. Alright. Was ist bei dir passiert? Okay.
I don't think this guy came back.
Christ.
Wahrscheinlich im Zugunfall gerade
That
den
light
Schädel
is
zerschmettert.
Push it.
Push it?
Why not?
Are you fucking serious?
Here, look.
Yes! Das geht wirklich noch einfach ohne Problem.
It's just the brakes.
Okay, I'll give you that one.
This fucker works?
Seems like it.
I'll
Nice!
be damned. How the hell do we get it moving?
I don't know. That's Mr. Amtrak over here.
No
Mr.
clue.
Antrick. Okay.
We found this in the boxcar back there.
What
Ja,
was this
sorry
what it
wegen
looks
der
like?
blöden Dings. Es ist 10 jetzt
This
und
hoss
das
will take
läutet
us right
halt
to
jetzt
Savannah.
10-mal.
100 tons of steel. Put 1,000 walkers between us and the ocean, and we don't have to give a shit. I can't believe it.
Wir müssen einfach nur herausfinden, wie wir es
Just have to figure
starten
out how to get it started.
I'm sure we can figure it out. How tough could it be?
No idea, but we'll find out.
Oh
That's the
yeah.
spirit. Ben, if you could keep an eye on the girls and Duck, I'd appreciate it. I'm gonna make sense of these controls. Man, this could be exactly what we need.
Yep. Aber ganz ehrlich, ich gehe jetzt nochmal raus. Ich muss zuerst das Wasser am Tag bringen, sonst stirbt er noch schneller. Und das will ich nicht unbedingt. Wo sind sie? Ah, ich bin glaube falsch gelaufen. He? Ah. Look.
Here, found some water.
Oh, thank you. Perfect. He's allergic to bees.
Is that right?
It's all I can keep thinking about. Like, somehow that matters.
It doesn't.
I know. Well, I don't. But you're probably right.
Alright. Gods.
I better get back to it.
Ken took off in a hurry.
We think the train might actually work. Trying to find out how to start the engine.
How?
I have no idea.
Well, someone must have known, right?
You're right.
Ben, du hast vorher so einen komischen Blick gehabt. Ich glaube, du weißt
I
doch ein
had
bisschen
no
mehr.
idea how to get the engine started.
That guy in the cab probably knew.
Yeah, well, he isn't talking.
Well, he had to learn it somewhere.
Aha. Clem, bei dir ist alles okay? Sorry, dass ich so viel mit dir
Hey,
rede, aber es
sweet
ist so.
You okay out here?
Ah, ist genau das Gleiche.
I don't think Duck feels good.
Oh, sorry, ich kann nur abbrechen.
Me neither.
Geht nicht. Alright. Probieren wir den Motor zum Laufen bringen.